You are not meant for yourself only. Today you think that whole world is meant for you and you can use the whole world, and you want to use the whole world for yourself. The approach of yoga is dual. If you have this philosophy that whole world should be used, and you have capacity and you have ability and you want to use the whole world for yourself, then you should also understand that you are meant for the whole world. So let you learn to adjust yourself in a way so that you know how to use the things of the world and at the same time live, learn, do your actions for others. Here I am bringing the sutra Abhyas Avairagyabhyam Tannirodha. It's not possible for anyone to live happily. We live in the world. This is not called living. This is miserable way of living. Every day crying, under the pressure of fears, under the pressure of agony, stress, strain, and then we live. That is not considered to be living. You yourself will feel that you have created an island for yourself. You yourself understand that you have isolated yourself. There is something wrong somewhere, but you do not know what it is. Because other aspect of life which is related to others. Life means relationship. It's like a coin. One side is life, another side is relationship. You cannot say life is not relationship.